Hello and welcome. Today we're discussing a powerful strategy for tackling persistent digestive problems, how to fix your gut issues using this daily routine. Thank you for joining us. Are daily gut issues making life uncomfortable? Do you find yourself managing symptoms like bloating, gas, or discomfort on a regular basis? For those with autoimmune conditions, these issues can be intertwined with chronic inflammation and ongoing flare-ups. You might have tried addressing symptoms as they arise, but find that the underlying problems persist. The challenge is that erratic routines or sudden drastic changes can actually derail your best intentions and prevent lasting improvement. Your gut health is profoundly affected by your daily habits. It's not just about what you eat sometimes. It's about the consistent environment you create for your digestive system day in and day out. Research shows that even the healthiest diet will fall short if your daily routines create stress or disrupt your sleep. Stress, poor nutrition, and erratic routines are like weeds that can take over the garden of your gut. The good news is that establishing a structured, supportive daily routine can be a game changer. Experts emphasize that consistency is key. A daily routine is fundamental. It supports your gut health and immune function by creating stability. By setting up a structured daily routine now, you're investing in long-term well-being and balancing your gut's flora. Imagine your day as a series of opportunities to support your gut. This routine isn't about being perfect, it's about making consistent, intentional choices. It involves establishing effective habits that reinforce health, planning balanced meals, and incorporating practices that manage stress. Experts like Amy Myers recommend scheduling meals to mimic your body's natural rhythms, enabling efficient nutrient absorption and reducing inflammation. Drudge back home. Julia Enders points out the strong gut-brain connection, meaning a calm mind contributes directly to a healthy gut environment. By integrating small, targeted actions into your daily flow, you build a resilient foundation. It starts with simple things that kickstart your system and signals your body to function well. Planning ensures you fuel your body with gut-friendly foods consistently. Mindfulness creates a built-in mechanism to counter daily stresses that impact your gut. This approach is rooted in understanding that your gut is responsive to your daily habits. Implementing a supportive daily routine provides the structure needed for your gut to heal and thrive. It moves beyond temporary fixes to create lasting stability and improve your overall well-being. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to discover how a powerful daily routine can help fix your gut issues and build a foundation for lasting health, you can find a detailed video linked in the description below. You can also find a link to the full course to learn how to design and implement your personalized gut healing daily routine. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information was helpful. Share this video to spread awareness about natural autoimmune recovery and for all future modules on gut health and immune function. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications.